Alright, here we are. We made it to a space station. Why did the music get all intense all of a sudden? It's so weird. Okay, I guess it's intense. Let's go talk to some computer people. Appears to be bird. Yay, bird frog things. The aliens greet us as I approach. They seem excited to see me, though I cannot understand their babbling. Perhaps they would recognize the signal mentioned by the base computer? Ask about 16. A look of surprise crosses the life form's face as they release a strange smelling gas. This appears to signify our conversation. Hello? You look, you know, the same as the other guy. The alien looks at me expectant. They are clearly waiting for something. Perhaps they know the one that came before me? Ask about other travelers. Startled by my question, the life form emits a dramatic squeak. Though I do not recognize their words, they shake their head. The shake of their head is unmistakable. Okay, what about this guy? Oh my gosh, he looks the same as yet. It's triplets! The life form chatters away, assessing me with beady, inquisitive eyes. But when I blink, I see the same red light that stared at me with a distress beacon. Repeat 16. 16, 16, 16, guys. We are watching you, traveler. Find what we have left. Ooh. Left me something. Is it a gift? Is it Christmas? Though the alien speaks, the words are not their own. A string of code is echoed back to me through the red glare locked directly in my mental suit. The crimson light fades away, and I see the life form blinking at me, expectantly. Whatever has happened, they do not appear to have seen it. Oh, that's interesting. I should leave. Perhaps my base computer would be able to make something of this code. Okay, here we are. Home. Sweet. Yet to be home. Habitable base. Archives terminated. Select new task. Begin decryption. Decoding. 16. 16. 16. Message follows. The traveler finds their wings. Fly to us. Claim your place among the stars. Fly to whatever encoded signal is. Yes, a huge thing. I wish you could do more with them. So this is called a derelict freighter. Basically, you can find little cargo pods and, you know, open them. They aren't super great. I wish there was a little more you could do with them, but they're okay, I guess. I mean, especially for, like, they're really cool locations for random stuff. All right. Log damaged. Partial records available. The signal has led me to the wreck of a freighter. Colossal fragments of metal scattered across the landscape. Were these messages nothing but the misfiring circuits of a long-forgotten ruin? Nested among the debris, I find a pilot's log. Blinking, awaiting input. Request log. Instead of displaying the ship's log, the terminal spits out a strange sequence of numbers, and they're followed by a short message. The anomaly comes from the stars. Take flight. A schematic for a hyperdrive is attached to the end of the message. Take blueprint. I pulled the blueprint from the computer, but this hyperdrive blueprint is for a conventional starsuit, not a freighter of this size. Someone placed this here after the crash, hoping it would be found. Yay, how exciting. Oh my gosh, ew, more slime? What the heck? I don't even know where this is coming from. Nanite, let's go. Ah! Okay. Ah, gross. Antimatter, let's go. Okay, what's in here? We got nanites.
Radiation protection falling.
And then after we've collected all of these, then we can begin installing the hyperdrive. And then we can go amongst the stars and do whatever we want, because there'll be no one to tell us what to do.
Technology installed.
Chromatic metal and microprocessor. I'm back to get this another. Oh, the triplets that were here last time, that was wild. We got triplets. that's one space station. Okay, what do we got to sell? We can sell these peas. And the rusted metal. Slime. Too gross. I don't know who wants that. Well, let's go space mining. Like I said, it's a large amount of asteroids, so we just basically shoot where hearts come down. Okay. Now let's sell some gold and silver. And if we sell all of our gold and silver, hopefully that's enough to buy 5 microprocessors. And maybe have a little bit to spare to spend on something else. Let's go! There we go, the most expensive purchase so far. And abracadabra. I'm just so speedy. Okay. I think we should just process the rest of this, and that should be enough to finish up what we need. Yes. Now we fly away in our amazing starship. Yay! Journey milestone accomplished. Space trucker. Yeah! I earned so many units. We're so rich. Auto diagnostics report. Hyperdrive successfully installed. Hyperdrive fuel status? Empty. Hyperdrive is complete. Perhaps I will finally find answers out amidst the stars. Without warp cells, I will be going nowhere. I need to find the source of antimatter. Okay, let's go find some antimatter. Yeah, I was right. Okay. Ooh. Freaky. That looks kind of fun. Ooh, sludge. Ooh, it's a low atmosphere planet. This is fun. Terminal online. Selecting key. Decrypting. Oh my gosh, it's red. Success. The terminal is clogged with an unnerving, pulsating slime. Ew, it's pulsating? That makes it grosser. Nevertheless, it appears to function. As I touch the input panel, the alien substance reacts violently. I make a note to avoid getting closer. Yeah, I would not get closer at all. The device opens, revealing a single, unblinking crimson eye. It prints out a blueprint for antimatter, accompanied by a strange message. You will find us when the time is right. Ah, that makes sense. 16, 16, 16, 16, 16, 16, 16. Yay, antimatter. Well, I got antimatter, so... Abracadabra, warp cell. I think I'm breaking it by going so fast. So if I plug this into my starship, it should just... Yay. I'm so speedy at this game. This game makes me walk, but I beat it up because I'm just so efficient. Okay, galaxy map, here we come. How exciting. Okay, let's go. Yeah, this looks like a fun place to be. And now we're spiraling through space at velocities unknown to mankind. Uh-oh, the music's getting intense again. Ooh, it's already discovered by somebody. Fancy. I don't really know where I am. Starship monitoring system reports error. Guidance system malfunction. Searching for other routes. Searching. Searching. Wow, it's really searching. Obtained. Destination in 16, 16, 16, 16, 1, 6, 16 KLS. That's a lot of 16s. Accept new guidance? Yeah, why not? Guidance accepted. Plotting route. Alright. And we're going that way.